What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Marcella's Way. So as you saw from the title, today's video is going to be me doing high socks for the first time. So you guys are going to go through the process with me, and I'm not going to do a lot of talking, y'all. Let's just get to it, okay? Let's go. Okay, so the first thing is I have these, what I consider to be jigs. I cut it out with a foam core board. It's kind of big, and I know it is, like, this is actually like the standard one, but the whole point of it is to stretch the sock out a bit so the dye can get in there good. So it's all good. So I'm going to take this jig and I'm going to put the sock on it right now. All right, so here are on the jig. Like I said, this one is obviously bigger, but I don't think it's gonna make that big of a difference. So what I want to do is I want to do this top half a pattern. I'm gonna use a pop art design on the top. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go to the Silhouette software, see if we can get this design done. All right, you guys, so what I did first was I basically just made two rectangles. These two are going to be the top of the sock, and these two are going to be the bottom of the sock. So what I'm going to do is, this one, I made sure that I measured out how far I want the design to come down. So I measured this to be about 7 inches long. And what I did was I left a little bit of like bleed room. So I made it 8. I think I made it 8. Hold on, let me see how much I made it. I made it 8. Yes, because it was 7, so I made it an inch longer. So this one here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the design within here. And then this part right here, I'm good with that. I measured that out to be 9. So what I did was, I think it was 8.5. So then I made it 9.5, so that I have a little bit of bleed room. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to put the design in real quick and then show you guys that, and then I'm gonna print it. Okay, there we go. So I made sure that I put both designs, which represent both socks, sock 1, sock 2, sock 1, sock 2. And then what I'm gonna do is, when I print it out, I'm gonna have to print out 4 of these and 4 of these, because these are the front parts of the socks, and then the other 2 will be the back side. So I'm gonna go ahead and print that out, and then we're gonna go ahead and try to get this done, you guys. I hope everything turns out good. I'm a little bit nervous, but we shall see. We're gonna go through this process together. If I screw up, I screw up. You'll be seeing me screw up today, but we'll figure it out. All right, see you guys in a minute. All right, so I went ahead and I flipped everything horizontally. I tried to lay them on one sheet so I'm not being wasteful. So let's go ahead and print now. I also got some butcher paper on my heat press, and I am waiting for that to get up to temp. That has to be up to 385. I'm putting it on. It could be 380, 385, whatever, between 380, 85 to 400, either one. But I'm also going to get another piece of butcher paper to go on top of it. So you guys, we're gonna see how this works out. Fingers crossed. All right, y'all, so I taped down the first sock. I know I should probably do these at the same time, but I'm not because I'm scared because this is the first one. So I'm being super extra cautious, and then after this, I won't be so scared. So bear with me, all right? So taping down the first one, maybe if I make a mistake, I can make the adjustments and I'll just have one good sock and one bad sock, okay? Be back in a minute. Okay, so that part pressed actually really well. Now I'm gonna press the purple part onto the bottom. I have to figure out how to possibly get this line to like meet or something. I'm not really sure, but let's just get past this part first, okay? Because this is stressful. All right, be back. Okay, y'all, so it didn't turn out too bad. I'm not really fond of this little white line. I don't know whether that's just supposed to happen, but for the most part, the first one turned out okay. There was a little light spot right here. I don't know whether I got a cold spot or just the pressure or whatever. I realized that using these foam core boards is a bad idea because look at it. It's supposed to be foam there and now it's not. So I think the heat melted the foam. Duh. When I did this same thing with the little small ankle socks, I used like actual cardboard. So maybe I should do that next time. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna work on the other sock. And then I'm gonna come back and show y'all both of them when they're together, okay? Be right back. All right, you guys, so this is the finished product. I put the sock on and realized that I probably need a bigger jig because when I put the sock on, it stretched out and you couldn't really see the sublimation in between it very well. I'm trying to show y'all, but you see, well, yeah, you couldn't even see the sublimation. But anyway, so then I gotta kind of get these lines out, but you know that comes with practice. And I did this shirt, which this would be a sneak peek of the 2,000 subscriber merch. So yep, this is that. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Thank you for going with me in that process of doing these high socks for the first time. All right, you guys have a great day. Thank y'all for viewing and stay tuned for more Marcella's Way.